Learning process where teachers deliver lectures and the students complete assignments at home is pretty common system worldwide. However, with the rise of technology and the evolving educational philosophies, alternative approaches have emerged to better student engagement and learning outcomes. One of the most notable among this is the flipped classroom model. In this video, I will talk about the flipped classroom and its benefit for learning process. Before we move on, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to follow for more videos. A flipped classroom reverses the conventional teaching structure by shifting the instructional content delivery to pre-class activities such as video lectures or readings, while using the class time for interactive hands-on learning. This model has gained significant interest since educators look for innovative ways to improve active learning and meet different students' needs. The model aligns perfectly with the goal of modern education, which emphasizes critical thinking, personalized learning, and collaboration. By fostering all these elements, it is proven to be an effective strategy for maximizing engagement. Now let's talk about why and how flipped classroom might benefit you. One of the most compelling advantages of the flipped classroom is its ability to foster active learning. Unlike traditional methods where students often passively absorb information during lectures, the flipped model transforms class time into a hub for active participation. Students engage in discussions, analyze case studies, and solve complex problems collaboratively. Research has consistently shown that active learning boosts knowledge comprehension and retention. For instance, one study found that the students in flipped classrooms outperformed their peers in traditional settings on assessments measuring higher order thinking skills. This success was attributed to the hands-on activities and the discussions facilitated during class time, which allows students to apply their knowledge in the real-world context. Moreover, the flipped approach encourages critical thinking and creativity. When students arrive in class having already reviewed the material, they are better prepared to ask thoughtful questions and explore deeper concepts. This approach not only helps them master the subject but also builds their confidence in the process. Another key benefit of the flipped classroom is its emphasis on personalized and self-paced learning. Pre-class materials such as video lectures or interactive modules allow students to learn at their own speed. Those who grasp concepts quickly can move ahead, while others who need more time can revisit the content until they achieve mastery. This flexibility is particularly valuable in addressing the diverse ways students engage with and the process information. For example, students who prefer visual aids can benefit from diagrams and animations in pre-recorded videos, while those who learn best through listening can replay lectures to reinforce their understanding. This level of personalization is challenging to achieve in traditional classrooms, where time constraints often restrict the ability to address individual preferences. Often, the flipped classroom approach motivates learners to take control of their learning process and encourages a sense of autonomy and responsibility, which, by the way, are critical for lifelong learning. Collaboration is another important element of the flipped classroom model because using class time for interactive activities gives students plenty of chances to work together on group projects, debates, and problem-solving exercises. These joint efforts help them understand the material better, while also building their communication and teamwork skills. Peer collaboration has been shown to increase student motivation and engagement. A study on engineering students revealed that group activities in flipped classroom led to higher levels of participation and greater sense of community. Working alongside peers, students learn to value diverse perspectives and develop skills essential for a professional environment. Furthermore, collaboration in flipped classroom often extends beyond academic content. Students frequently discuss strategies for tackling assignments, share resources, and provide feedback to one another. This sense of companionship and the mutual support contributes to a more engaging and enjoyable learning experience. Finally, the model allows educators to provide immediate feedback, addressing individual challenges and promoting a more supportive learning environment. During traditional lectures, teachers often struggle to measure students' understanding in real time. However, in a flipped classroom, they can observe students as they work through problems, answer questions, and engage in discussions. This real-time interaction allows teachers to identify misconceptions and provide targeted guidance. For example, a chemistry teacher in flipped classroom might notice that several students are struggling with a specific formula during a group activity. The teacher can then pause to clarify the concept and ensure everyone is on the same page before moving forward. Immediate feedback is particularly beneficial for struggling students who may hesitate to seek help in a traditional setting. The interactive nature of the flipped classroom creates a more open and approachable atmosphere, which usually encourages students to voice their concerns and ask questions. This in turn improves their confidence and academic performance. So these were 4 main reasons why you should start switching to the flipped classroom model. Tell me in the comments what do you think about it, and if you have implemented it already. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.